Hi everyone, I'm under the pool today. It's winter in Australia, pretty cold, and I've let my pool go a bit. So what I wanted to do was backwash and show you how to do it. I have an Onga Pantera Series 2 sand filter, and they're pretty straightforward to backwash and clean that dirt out of the sand. I will show you how to do that in a moment. First of all, what we need to do is clean the baskets at the top of the pool, and we'll get going and we'll start doing that first. I like to have the pool filter running while I'm doing this because it keeps all the leaves together. If it's not running, they'll just, as you pick them up, they'll just float all back into the pool. This way they get sucked back down. I'm just doing a rough clean today. Just taking the leaves out. Normally I'd take the basket out and hose it completely clean, but not today. We're back under the pool and we're ready to backwash. One of the things I like to do personally is to disengage the chlorinator from the pool pump so it doesn't activate and start producing chlorine while I'm backwashing. I don't like doing it. Also, you don't have instant control. When you're operating the controls of the chlorinator, there's a delayed reaction. I don't like it, so it's very easy. Just unplug your chlorinator from up here. And this is the pool pump, which is attached to the chlorinator. You just plug that in there, so the pool pump is ready to go. It's time to backwash. So make sure that you never turn your handle while the pool pump is running. So that's why I like to have it unplugged, so you switch it off in case it turns on automatically on the timer mode. It's set to filter, so what you have to do is you push down and you rotate, and you can hear the water starting to run, and you push it down to backwash. Turn your filter on, your pool pump, and it'll start to backwash. This window here shows the dirty water being pushed out. Now, I have a rotary pump, so the pressure, the power isn't high enough, so I'll turn that on to high, and you can see the window is a bit cloudy now. You let that run for about 30 seconds to a minute, or until the glass window is clear. Sometimes that'll build up some algae inside it. I'll show you how to clean that. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to keep this short. Back to your power switch. All right, you turn it off. Remember, never move any valves while the motor is running. Now, there may be, so we can turn this to rinse cycle. Now, there may be some debris left in the pipes. So you run your rinse, turn it back on, and that'll flush out the water back down the waste pipes. And again, we'll turn the power back up, let that rinse for a little bit, and that'll clear it all out for you. And you do that for about 30 seconds or so. Turn the power off. Gets awfully noisy, doesn't it? And once that's done, you turn the handle, push it down, turn it around, and put it back into the filter system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful. I don't think my pressure gauge is working properly, so I'm going to show you how to replace it pretty quick, pretty easy. If you just click on the link up here, I'll take you straight to it. Thanks for watching again. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. I want to try to build a community. Thank you very much. Bye.